It's taken us 2.5, look, my goodness, look how gorgeous that is. 2.5 visits to come in and completely encapsulate and lock down this deck in the world's toughest deck polymer. And the results are just absolutely stunning. Look at this, wow, my goodness. This color is Kong mushroom, and it looks absurdly beautiful with this siding here, this color siding here in Independence. It coordinates really well, and it's just beautiful anyways. But take you guys up and I'm going to show you. Man, it's just stunning. Just a beautiful high build. I mean, synthetic finish everywhere on what was this old frayed wood decking system that had seen better days, and Kong has just brought it roaring back to life. I mean, roaring back to life. Look at that. Look at that finish. That's what we call thick build, high build, right? High stretch. Kong, one of its main benefits is what we call high stretch and contraction ability, right? It can expand, or what we call elongate, up to 300% to make room for wood movement or composite movement, if it's coating composite, whatever, right? It can also contract right back down to size. You guys remember Stretch Armstrong? He had something really special that was called polymer cross-linking. Though it was more of an oil-based polymer cross-linking, Kong is a little bit different, but Kong has that too as well. Cross-linked polymers, which gives it that special expansion and contraction ability that we just talked about. But encapsulation is the process that we use to finish these decks, and what that involves is it involves taking this high build polymer that I just told you about and actually manually taking the time to press it into cracks, to press it into nail and screw holes, to press it into voids, to press it into openings. And we don't stop until we have 100% coverage here on the floor. So every nail and screw hole in this floor is filled in. Every hairline crack or board crack is filled in. And this is what we call true water lock, right? Because what we know is if we can lock the water out of your deck here in the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky area, it greatly expands the life of your deck system. Because if no water gets in, it cuts down on the wood movement. And it's the wood movement itself that destroys your all's decks over time. The sun just dries the water out, right? And everybody thinks it's the sun, but it's most of it, a lot of it's water inundation. But Kong, tough film technology, rated to take on wind-driven rain, sleet, ice, hail, up to hurricane wind speeds and beyond. It's got, because it's so thick, 30 to 60 times thicker than thin residential deck paints and stains. We're able to load the world's best UV deflectors into it. And that's big deal here in Cincinnati, because there's a few months out of the year that the UV ray inundation here is so great. It's similar to the Sonoran Desert out in Southern California. It's really close in July, August here, end of June. But UV rays, they destroy deck coatings because they fall straight down, and they're able to actually penetrate through the film and into the material below, whether it's a wood deck or a composite deck that's coated. It can dive directly all the way through thin residential deck paints and stains and obliterate adhesion. That's why your all's decks peel all over the place, right? But with Kong, it's so thick, number one, that the rays can't get all the way through. Number two, we have that UV block technology that deflects about 90% of them right back up into the atmosphere where they belong. Now, if you look around, you'll just notice this really beautiful synthetic finish everywhere, right? One of the things that we did right off the rip here is we came in and we took off their old cap rails. We just popped them off of here. And we gave them nice, brand new, custom milled cap rails. Look how gorgeous those are, coated in the world's toughest deck armor. Look at that. They almost look like composite, right? Rounded and beautiful. They got those everywhere around, right? When we came in, we replaced our bad boards. It's another thing. Kong armor, it comes with all the restoration, repair your deck needs. Our deck painters, they're actually called deck rescue painters, deck restoration painters. Why? Because they can give you all of the repair, restoration that you need in conjunction with armor encapsulating your deck in our lifetime deck armor system. We can do it all in one shot. That way you don't have to fiddle around with 2 or 3 contractors. What a headache, right? Or deal with the unreliableness of local contractors and all that headache and mess. You can just have it all done with one company, one contractor, one shot. It's all over with. This deck, 2.5 visits. Only 2.5 visits because we got delayed a little bit. We had to take a pause because of rain. If it wasn't for rain, we probably would have got this in 2 visits. And you look down through here, just look. Don't pay no attention to my ugly feet. Just look how beautiful those steps are now. Just drop dead gorgeous and stunning, right? Well, tell you what, I'll take you. Let me put my shoes on here, my sandals. I'll take you around the outside and then I'll let you go. One thing I'll show you here before I leave is kind of the little special things that we do for our system owners that nobody else does. You know, for example, these safety blocks up underneath the steps. All right, see them right here. On ledged in steps like this, where that step's sitting on about 1/4 inch. And if it slides out of that groove, this guy's family could fall, right? Well, what we know is the fall from 6 foot and above is the worst. So we come in, everything above 6 foot, we put safety blocks in. So if that step does fall out of that ledge right there, you see how much it's got? If it does fall out, now it's got this big area that it's sitting on. And we don't have to take the chance of somebody falling from 6 feet or above, right? I've seen it before. It's bad, it's horrible. That's why I do that now with all my systems. You look at our deck post, what do you notice that's different about ours? No openings, right? True water lock. Everything we do here at Kong Armor is actually about protecting decks. And what we've learned is, if you actually take the time to actually fill in all their water openings and actually protect them, the beauty just comes naturally, right? No cracks, no knots, no voids. Look, step back a couple feet and look how gorgeous, right? Look around the decks in your neighborhood. I guarantee you, that's all wide open to water, right? Not at Kong, right? All of our systems are all water locked for life by the toughest deck coating in existence to man today. Tell you what, maybe one thing you don't know, Kong's locally backed for life. Lifetime limited warranty, lifetime service promise. Right here's one of our service plaques, kongarmor.com. These customers have access to warranty and service for life for this coating system now. They never have to do complete deck repainting ever again. And we stay with them here locally in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana to make sure of it. You want to transform your deck? You want to get lifetime deck armor? Tell you what, it's super simple. Just visit kongarmor.com and get signed up for a free quote today.